powder coating machines have become a go-to solution for hobbyists and small shops seeking durable, corrosion-resistant finishes without the complexity of industrial systems. The category spans budget handheld guns to more capable standalone systems with larger hoppers and higher voltage outputs. In this review,
List number 1. 40W45L Electrostatic Powder Coating Machine. The WX958S is a mid-range 40W system with a 45-liter powder tank from a generic supplier. It emphasizes stability and efficiency in powder production with an operating voltage range of 90 to 260 volts and 50 to 60 Hz compatibility. Claimed advantages include strong powder throughput in grooves and corners and a compact footprint for a 45-liter capacity, making it suitable for hobbyists and small workshops looking for a solid overall package without brand-specific constraints. Performance-wise, the 45-liter capacity suggests a reasonable run length between reloads for typical small to mid-size parts. The wide input voltage range improves compatibility with different regions, simplifying setup in varied environments. However, being a generic model, the system may lack the specialized support and ecosystem that comes with established brands, which could affect parts availability and firmware updates. For users, this model offers a reliable, cost-effective path to consistent power coats, provided you keep expectations aligned with its mid-tier specs.
Number 2. Eastwood Hot Coat PCS 250. The Eastwood PCS 250 is a well-regarded dual-voltage system designed for hobbyists and small shops, combining an accessible price with established brand support. It includes a dual-voltage power supply, a ground clamp, and an 8-ounce empty bottle to start. Eastwood markets it as a reliable entry into professional-grade powder coating with durable finishes and a strong warranty framework. 1-year limited warranty. Priced at $137.97, it positions itself as a step up from ultra-budget kits while staying approachable. Performance-wise, PCS 250 benefits from Eastwood's ecosystem of compatible powders and accessories, enabling more consistent results for standard metals and automotive parts. The system is generally forgiving and reliable for beginners, with adequate grounding and spray control for everyday tasks. For users, this model is a good balance of cost and capability, suitable for educational projects, custom bike parts, or metal fabrication finishing where a durable powder coat is desired without industrial level.
List number 3. Powder Coating System. The Hossel dual-voltage system targets versatility in a compact package, offering selectable 20 kV or 50 kV output. It ships with multiple nozzles, 2 powder cups, a moisture separator, a control box, a ground clip, and a foot switch, making it a feature-rich kit for its price of $115.99. The dual-voltage design aims to maximize adhesion and allow coatings on a wider range of substrates, including automotive parts and small components. Performance-wise, the inclusion of 2 powder cups and interchangeable nozzles provides practical color changes and application methods, which can reduce downtime between jobs. The high-voltage option, 50 kV, can drive more efficient transfer and stronger adhesion on challenging geometries, though it requires careful handling and proper grounding. In real-world use, this kit is well-suited for hobbyists expanding their capabilities, with a robust set of included accessories that lower the barrier to starting and experimenting with different coatings.
List number 4 is the Vevor Powder Coating System. The Vevor system is the premium option in this lineup, delivering a high-voltage 100 kV electrostatic output, a sizable 50-liter hopper, and a claimed 450 grams per minute coating rate. The kit includes a spray gun, trolley base, and accessories for indoor and outdoor use, with a focus on production scale capability and robust build quality. Priced at $420.99, it targets serious hobbyists and small production environments where throughput and coating consistency matter. Performance-wise, the 100 kilovolt output supports faster transfer efficiency and stronger coatings on complex geometries, while the 50-liter hopper minimizes downtime due to powder replenishment. The 450 grams per minute rate translates to higher throughput, but this also demands careful parameter tuning, voltage, current, and nozzle size, to avoid defects such as orange peel. The trolley base and mobility features add practical value for workshop layouts that require reconfiguration. This model is ideal for users who want near-industrial performance in a home-friendly package.
List number 5. Powder Coating Gun System for Metal. The PT200 from P-Tool is a compact dual-voltage powder coating gun kit designed for entry-level users and DIY projects. It offers selectable 15 kV or 25 kV operation, with a lightweight build and a clear powder bottle for monitoring. At $99, it represents an accessible entry point into powder coating with a portable form factor and straightforward operation. The kit emphasizes ease of transport and basic performance suitable for small parts and hobby-grade finishes. Performance-wise, the PT200 provides adequate electrostatic capability for common hobby pieces and light automotive trim.
List number 5. Powder Coating Gun System for Metal. The PT200 from P-Tool is a compact dual-voltage powder coating gun kit designed for entry-level users and DIY projects. It offers selectable 15 kV or 25 kV operation with a lightweight build and a clear powder bottle for monitoring. At $99, it represents an accessible entry point into powder coating with a portable form factor and straightforward operation. The kit emphasizes ease of transport and basic performance suitable for small parts and hobby-grade finishes. Performance-wise, the PT200 provides adequate electrostatic capability for common hobby pieces and light automotive trim, but expects meticulous surface preparation and thin, even coats to avoid orange peel at higher voltages. The dual voltage option lets users tailor the charge to the workpiece material and geometry, yet the lack of a large hopper and limited airflow control means longer cycle times for multi-piece projects. For users, the main value lies in budget access, quick setup, and the ability to trial powder coating without a large upfront investment. However, it may require additional consumables and careful maintenance to maintain consistent results.